Exciting journey to Bali, learn English with real conversations. Hi Beatrix, are you ready for our flight to Bali?
Hi Richard. Yes, I'm super excited. It's my first time going to Bali. How about you?
Same here. I've always wanted to visit Bali. The beaches and temples look amazing in pictures.
I know, right? I can't wait to feel the warm sun and explore the beautiful places there.
Do you have anything planned for when we arrive?
Yes, I was thinking we could start with the beach. Maybe spend the first day relaxing by the water.
That sounds perfect. Which beach are you thinking of visiting first?
Kuta Beach. It's very popular, and I heard it's great for sunsets.
Oh, sunsets on the beach sound magical. Do you want to try surfing while we're there?
Surfing? I've never tried it before, but it could be fun. Have you surfed before?
I tried once, but I wasn't very good. Maybe we can take a lesson together.
Good idea. It will be more fun if we learn together. What about food? Are there any dishes you want to try?
I've heard about nasi goreng. It's Indonesian fried rice, and people say it's delicious.
Oh, yes. I also want to try satay and fresh coconut water.
That all sounds so good. We should make a list of foods to try while we're there.
Great idea. Also, do you think we'll have time to visit the temples?
Definitely. I really want to see Tanalot Temple. It's on a rock in the sea, and it looks incredible.
That's on my list too. Maybe we can also visit Ubud. I heard it's peaceful and surrounded by nature.
Yes, and they have the monkey forest in Ubud. I think that would be fun to see.
Oh, I love monkeys. But I heard you need to be careful with your belongings around them.
Good to know. I'll make sure to keep my sunglasses and phone safe.
Me too. I'm really looking forward to this trip. It feels like it's going to be an adventure of a lifetime.
I agree, Beatrix. Bali is such a beautiful destination. Let's enjoy every moment of it.
Absolutely. Here's to an amazing trip.
Celebrating birthdays and special days, a heartwarming English conversation. Hey Hillary. I was wondering, how do you celebrate your birthday?
Hi, Alvin. Oh, I love keeping it simple. I usually have a small party with my family and friends. How about you?
That sounds lovely. I usually do something similar, but I also have a tradition of going to the beach if the weather allows. There's something special about the sea and birthdays for me.
That's a wonderful tradition. Celebrating by the sea must feel really refreshing. Do you have any special activities you do at the beach?
Yes, indeed. We usually have a barbecue, play some beach volleyball, and sometimes, we just relax and watch the sunset. It's all about being with the people I care about.
That sounds like a perfect birthday to me. Speaking of celebrations, what's your take on celebrating other special days, like New Year's or Christmas?
I think every special day has its own charm. For New Year's, I love going to city events or watching fireworks. Christmas is more about family gatherings, enjoying a nice dinner, and exchanging gifts. How do you celebrate those days?
Pretty much the same. Christmas is very family-oriented for me. We decorate the house together, bake cookies, and watch Christmas movies. New Year's is more about partying with friends and making resolutions for the upcoming year.
Making resolutions. That's something I do too. Do you manage to stick to yours?
I try my best. It's more about the effort and less about perfection. It's nice to have goals to work towards throughout the year. What's one of your resolutions?
This year, I'm focusing on personal growth and learning a new skill. Maybe I'll finally learn how to play the guitar.
That sounds exciting. Learning an instrument can be so rewarding.
Definitely. And speaking of learning, I think sharing our holiday traditions and experiences is a great way to learn about each other in different cultures.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. It's these little conversations that bring us closer and add to our understanding of the world.
Well, it was great talking about our traditions and how we celebrate. I'm looking forward to our next chat already.
Me too, Alvin. Have a great day.
You too, take care. Discover world cultures. Simple English for beginners. Who is a famous artist from Italy? Leonardo da Vinci is a famous artist from Italy. What is an example of a cultural festival? Diwali is a cultural festival in India. Where is the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower is in Paris, France. What is traditional food in Japan? Sushi is traditional food in Japan. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. What is a traditional dance in Spain? Flamenco is a traditional dance in Spain. What is a popular cultural event in Brazil? Carnival is a popular cultural event in Brazil. Where can you see the Statue of Liberty? You can see the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. What is the capital city of Egypt? The capital city of Egypt is Cairo. What is a famous museum in the UK? The British Museum is a famous museum in the UK. What is a popular art form in China? Calligraphy is a popular art form in China. Who is a famous musician from the USA? Elvis Presley is a famous musician from the USA. What is a traditional instrument in Ireland? The harp is a traditional instrument in Ireland. Where is the Sydney Opera House? The Sydney Opera House is in Australia. What is a famous painting by Vincent van Gogh? Starry Night is a famous painting by Vincent van Gogh. What is a traditional garment in India? The sari is a traditional garment in India. Who is a famous American writer? Mark Twain is a famous American writer. What is the capital of Japan? The capital of Japan is Tokyo.
At the hair salon, easy English conversation practice. Hi, Charles. It's great to see you. How have you been?
Hi, Nancy. I've been good, thanks. Just a bit busy with work. How about you?
I've been good too. I decided to get a haircut today. This salon is really nice, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I come here often. The staff is very friendly and professional. What kind of haircut are you thinking of getting?
I want something fresh and stylish for the summer. Maybe a shorter cut. What about you? Are you getting a haircut too?
Yes, I'm just getting a trim. I like to keep it simple. Have you ever been to this salon before?
No, this is my first time here. But I heard great things about it. Do you have any plans for the summer?
Yes, I'm planning to visit Paris. I've always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum. How about you?
That sounds amazing. I'm planning to go to Rome. I want to see the Colosseum and the Vatican. It's going to be an exciting trip.
Rome is beautiful. The history there is incredible. Have you been to Europe before?
Yes, I visited London last year. I saw the Big Ben and the Tower of London. It was an unforgettable experience. Have you traveled a lot?
A bit. I've been to New York City and saw the Statue of Liberty. It's such a vibrant city. I love traveling and exploring new places.
Me too. Traveling is the best way to learn about different cultures and histories. What's your favorite place you've visited?
I think the Great Wall of China is my favorite. It's just so impressive. What about you? Do you have a favorite place?
I loved the beaches in Hawaii. They are so beautiful and relaxing. I can't wait to visit again someday.
That sounds wonderful. I hope you have a great time in Rome this summer. Maybe we can share our travel stories when we get back.
That would be great. Enjoy your trip to Paris, Charles. And good luck with your haircut.
Thanks, Nancy. You too. Have a great day.